The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Arlington County in northern Virginia, southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, until 7:45 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., Emergency Management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain in the Springfield area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, Emergency Management reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Annandale, Springfield, Fort Hunt, Groveton, Huntington, Fort Belvoir, Crystal City, Reagan National Airport, Lincolnia, Franconia, Hyla Valley, Newington, Lake Barcroft, I-395 and I-495 interchange, Boston, West Springfield, Mount Vernon, Seven Corners. This includes the following flood-prone roads: South Troy Street near Long Branch, West Street near Braddock Road, Holmes Run below Lake Barcroft. Basement flooding can occur quickly and create a life-threatening situation. If you are in a basement or a residence below street level, move to a higher floor immediately.
Look out! Don't let him grab you with those talons!
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Arlington County, southeastern Fairfax County, and the city of Alexandria, northern Virginia, until 7:45 this evening. At 4:36, Emergency Management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain in the Springfield area. Between 1 to 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 more inch are possible in this area, and flash flooding is already occurring. Now, some of the locations that could experience this flash flooding include Arlington and Annandale, Fort Hunt, Huntington, Crystal City, High Bluff Valley, Mount Vernon, Alexandria, Springfield, Fort Belvoir, Reagan National Airport, and Franconia. Now, if there could be basement flooding occurring quickly to create a life-threatening situation. If you're in a basement or a resident below street level, move to a higher floor immediately. And if you're on the roads, turn around, don't drown, do not drive through a flooded road area. Again, we have a flash flood warning in effect for southeastern Arlington County, southeastern Fairfax County, and the city of Alexandria in Virginia until 7:45 this evening.
To that cabin. Good morning. You're a little late today. Oh, wow. This is a sparkly one. Thank you.
You know each other?
Wild Kratts. Awesome. Hi, I'm Rose. Yeah, this Raven and I trade stuff. She brings me shiny things. And I give her a snack and a neck scratch.
Raven Power programming complete.
Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Northern District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County and central Maryland, central Prince George's County and central Maryland, until 8 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bethesda, College Park, Greenbelt, Langley Park, Forestville, Largo, Coral Hills, Bladensburg, RFK Stadium, University of Maryland, FedEx Field, Gallaudet University, Fort Totten, Howard University, Landover, Camp Springs, Hyattsville, Tacoma Park, East Riverdale, Adelphi. This includes the following flood-prone roads: Rhode Island Avenue northeast between 2nd and Capitol, Beach Drive from Broad Branch Road to Piney Branch Parkway. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Basement flooding can occur quickly and create a life-threatening situation. If you are in a basement or a residence below street level, move to a higher floor immediately.
Clever, stop! Ah! He's dangerous! Ah! Ah!
There's more.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northern District of Columbia, northern D.C., along with southeastern Montgomery County and central Prince George's County in Maryland. This is until 8 o'clock this evening. At 4:40, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Between a ½ inch and an inch of rain has fallen, and additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in this area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. And again, this is caused by thunderstorms. Some of the locations that could experience this flooding: Bethesda, Greenbelt, Forestville, RFK Stadium, FedEx Field, Fort Totten, Landover, Hyattsville, College Park, Largo, Bladensburg, the University of Maryland, and Camp Springs, along with Tacoma Park and Adelphi. Again, we have a flash flood warning in effect for northern District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County in Maryland, and central Prince George's County in Maryland until 8 o'clock this evening.
Learned that he's her friend.